Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Now, I know I look a little crazy right now, but I will be attempting to do a get ready with me makeup tutorial, which I'm not good at makeup. I've said this 1,000 times on this channel, but I will keep repeating it, so be nice. Don't make fun of me. This is literally how I do my makeup, or at least try to. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to apply my moisturizer. I'm using the Pacifica Crystal Youth Gem Infused Face Lotion Show Your Glow. And my face is red because I got my eyebrows threaded and I had an allergic reaction apparently. So this is what we're working with. I will explain the hair after the makeup is done. And I like to start off with my foundation, which I love the Born This Way by Too Faced. I use the shade Sand. Got my beauty blender. Now I usually don't like to put too much, but because I have all this redness, I am going to apply more than usual. Okay, so then the next thing I like to do is my brows, and I use the Anastasia brow definer in medium brown. So first I like to just outline them, and then I like to fill in and all that crap. Okay, I don't contour. I don't know how to contour at all, so I won't even attempt that, especially because I have somewhere to be right now. So I will definitely not be attempting that. So if you watched my last video, I did a FabFitFun unboxing, and I got this Proof is in the Pudding palette. So I am going to try to use this. So the reason why my hair is in these crazy buns is because I will be attempting to make my hair wavy. I have really straight hair, so it's hard for me to get it to do anything other than be straight. And I'm too lazy to do the curling iron, so we'll just see how this turns out. So this is the palette. I'm gonna use the Mango Pudding, which is this one. I don't know, we'll try it. So this other palette I have is from Color Bash Cosmetics. It's called Let's Flamingo. It's very cute. So these are the colors. And I think I'm gonna go in with the Sunny, which is a glittery, shimmery color, this one. Now I have no business doing any of this. I totally do not know what the hell I'm doing. I just somewhat blend a bunch of shit together, and sometimes, for the most part, it looks decent. See, I like this. It's simple, shiny. Hey guys, it's New Year's Eve, so Happy New Year if you're watching this. And one thing I do like to do, I don't know how to contour, but something I do like to do is use the Anastasia contour kit. I have the light to medium one, and I like to use the Banana Cream shade, this one. So I use that one and I put it under my eyes just to kind of get rid of my bags. Okay, So I somewhat look decent compared to the beginning of this video. So now the next shocker that I know you're probably gonna think is really weird, and I actually learned this from my sister. So I have an older sister. She's 8 years older than me. So to curl my eyelashes, I am going to use a spoon. Yes, a spoon. So this is just a special spoon that I have set aside with my little makeup stuff, and this is what I do. Okay, and then you see how like some of them are kind of like going the opposite way. Then I take the Anastasia brow pencil and I just brush them in the direction that I want them to go. So now that they are brushed, my favorite mascara ever is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. I've used the pink one, which is the regular one, the non-waterproof one, and I honestly don't like it at all. I've also tried the Milk Makeup, it's also a blue bottle. I've tried that one as well, and I don't like it. Like, I just don't like any other mascara other than this one. We have foundation, brows, eyeshadow, mascara. That's pretty much it for me. That's as basic as I'm gonna get. Now, the final touch for me would be the lippy, which I like the Sephora collection. This one is called Snuggle Weather number 61. So this is what they look like. And this is like a brown, neutral, nude color. So this is what it looks like. Actually, I lied. The last thing would probably be the highlight, which I love the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Wow, I look like a fucking person now. This is amazing. Imagine if I actually knew what the hell I was doing. Like, I would look bomb. So here we go, guys. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and now I'm gonna put my hair down just so you can see what I was trying to go for. And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any of my videos. I did my best at showing you how I do my makeup. I'm sure there's so much more I can learn and so many things I can improve on, but this is just what has been working for me and what works for me at the moment. I'll see you guys on the next one.